Hey folks, thanks for tuning in for another video today. I'm going to go over a cool new product just come out, it just released, and I think you might like it, especially if you like trauma kits and stuff. So this is the Lynx Defense GOBY IFAK. So stay with me, my name's Chris, you watch Skills to Survive, we'll be right back. Alright folks, again, welcome back. Thanks for tuning in today for another video. So, I thought in this video, again, we talk about a very new product that just come out by a company in North Carolina called Lynx Defense. And the Lynx Defense makes rifle cases, stuff like that. They have a medical kit, an ankle medical kit that we're going to look at in another video. But this is a brand new product that they just released. It's called their GOBY IFAK. Now what this is a vehicle headrest mounted kit that you mount on the headrest of your vehicle, and I'll show you how to do that here in just a minute. And it just makes an easy rip-away design. So this part is mounted to your headrest, and then you just rip it off. You have a nice little grab handle here. So before we get into the contents and talk more about it, let's talk about the name GOBY. What is that name? So basically GOBY, the GOBY IFAK, is named after the goby fish. Now the goby fish and the pistol shrimp have a symbiotic relationship, meaning they both kind of benefit from their relationship by offering protection to one another. So Lynx Defense decided to name this the GOBY because it basically embraces the symbiotic relationship that humans share for caring for one another in a time of need. Now you guys know I'm a first responder. I've been an EMT for 20 plus years, and I've obviously throughout that time and throughout my life I've helped a lot of people in a lot of different situations, and I'm a big proponent, big advocate of having first aid, trauma supplies, with you, and especially in your vehicle, because you're more likely to run up on a wreck or something like that than you are to get into a gunfight. Let's just face it. Now, not saying that this can't be set up for that, but anyway, so let's talk about the kit. So basically the kit, what you're looking at is, when it's closed, it's about 8 inches by 3 inches by 6 inches. So again, not very big at all. You'll see on the front here you do have a small channel of hook and loop right here, so you can add a patch. Now what I do here is I've got this first aid name tape, and I put right there. And then you have 2 channels of MOLLE here. You can attach another small pouch or something like that if you want. And then on the back, obviously, it's just the hook and loop, and then again your nice grab handle. Now the design of this, just clamshells open, and it's very simple inside as well, which is, again, is what I like too. Very simple, very easy to use. Now when you buy this kit, the kit does not come with any of the contents, so I put the contents in there, which is nice because I like tailoring the kits to what I think I might need. So again, thinking about being a vehicle kit, running up on trauma type situations, I got this kit obviously set up for major bleeding, stopping major bleeding. That's the big thing, stop the bleed. So right here on this side here, you see you have basically kind of 2 little elastic band sections. Now obviously in this section here I have a cat tourniquet. This section here I have some gloves, and I have a little boo-boo kit. Now like I said in previous videos, you may not always need a giant dressing because somebody may just need a band-aid. So if you can incorporate minor first aid stuff in your kits, then do it. So I chose this right here, this little section right here, for just a minor first aid. I got some minor band-aids and stuff like that just in there. So that's basically all right here, kind of quick grab stuff. You grab your gloves, grab your tourniquet immediately if you need to stop the bleeding really quick. It's all right there. And then you have another little elastic section right here that I just put a roll of clean conforming gauze right there. Again, to pack a wound if I need to pack a wound, something like that. And then right here you have another nice little stash pocket right back there. And what I put in there is one of my little kind of stop the bleed kits. I have, I think, 15 4x4s in here and an ace bandage, and that kind of makes a little small stop the bleed kit right there. And also, again, I have a roll of quick clot, for a hemostatic agent. So that's all that's on this side here. Now going over here to this other side here, as you can tell, it's different. It's just two large elastic bands, and there's no additional pocket. So what I have over there is a SWAT T tourniquet. Again, I'm a big fan of the SWAT T tourniquets. And then also have one of the Israeli T3 bandages. Now again, I've said in previous videos, I really like these Israeli type bandages, especially the T3, because they have some more versatility to them. Also under there I have one of the H&H tack gauze, again for packing a wound, trying to stop that bleeding. And then I just have several little packages of, have a 5x9, and then a couple of sterile 4x4s. And then the very last thing in here is one of the H&H wound seal kits that I can use as a chest seal if need be, or seal up, a bigger wound if a need be. So that's all that's in here. Really simple kit. I've got it again set up kind of a trauma, major stop the bleeding type stuff, but also again incorporated a little bit of the smaller first aid type items in there as well. So again, you can see on the bottom it does have a drain hole here on the bottom, which is nice. So if it does get water in there, it'll drain out. So let me show you how to install this on your headrest. It's very simple and very easy, and we'll come right back. So stay with me and we'll be right back. Now the way you attach this is really simple, really easy. I showed you, got these long Velcro straps, 2 at the top and 1 on the side. So basically all you're going to do is you're going to put this on your seat rest, or your headrest I mean. And what I do is I feed the bottom ones, or I feed these 2 going across the bottom. I'll feed them under the headrest. And since it's Velcro, obviously it sticks to everything. And you just feed it, I'll show you here, feed it through your loop. Through your loop. Just kind of loop it back over on itself. Same thing for the other side. Wrap it around the headrest. Feed it through your loop. And then this long one that was on the middle here, it goes around the middle. Again, you'll feed it through the loop on this side. And you can tighten it up. Once you have it on there, you can kind of adjust it and then tighten it up how you see fit. That's pretty good actually. Right there. So there it is, in place. It's out of the way of your back seat passengers and everything like that. So here's your quick installation. Well, as you can see, pretty easy installation, and doesn't take but just a couple of minutes to put it in there, and it attaches easily. It's out of the way and stuff like that. So very easy again. So the only thing I might add in here is I thought about putting a set of hyphen chest seals. I may end up doing that eventually, but that H&H wound seal, that'll suffice, or just some Vaseline gauze will suffice. And I think I am going to put in some a set of trauma shears as well. That's basically all that's in here. And again, I have more room in there. If you can cram this thing slap full if you want. But the weight of this is, I have it loaded up now. It's 1 pound 7 ounces. So again, pretty lightweight, I think. So again, folks, I'll put a link down below to Lynx Defense where you can check them out. Again, this is called the GOBY IFAK. This is, again, brand new item for them, and so far I really like it. And it's definitely something that put in your vehicle, have a vehicle kit put together, because you never know. Yeah, you might be in a gunfight and you might need a first aid kit or a trauma kit. Or you may be driving down the road and get into a wreck yourself, or come upon a scene and stop and render aid. So again, I'm not going to beat the dead horse. So again, thanks for watching, folks. Please like, share, and subscribe. Click the bell button down below. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook as well. And until I see you on another video, always remember your PPE. Plan, prepare, and exercise. Get outside, get outdoors, get trained, and get proper training. And I'll see you on another video real soon. Thanks again for watching.